Hey guys, so I just want to come at you today with my Boxy Charm box. So I got off the wait list for premium this month for the first time. Super stoked about that, and I got it last week. Now, of course, I was way too anxious to wait. I kind of wanted to do them side by side, just open them together. Well, long story short, I couldn't wait. So I opened my premium and I have been testing it out, and I have been using the eyeshadow palette that I got. At first it was like, maybe not. I did a review. If you want to know my thoughts on it, check that video out. So anyways, back to the Boxy Charm. So in my premium box, I got, here's my paper. In the premium box, I got the Too Faced Palm Spring Dreams palette. It's supposed to be scented, just kind of smells sweet. I don't know. It's pretty though. I feel like it's very Too Faced. I have another palette by Too Faced. That actually might be the same amount, like 12 colors. And they actually might all be the same. Now that I'm actually like looking at this, I'll have to look at that. Anyways, I got the Farsali liquid glass. I put that on this morning underneath my foundation. I didn't really notice a difference, so I'm not really sure what this is supposed to do. It says a hybrid skincare serum that hydrates the skin, leaving a radiant glow with hyaluronic acid to pump and improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It can be used as a hydrating skincare serum or as a radiance boosting primer before makeup. I don't know. I didn't feel like it did anything for my makeup, but I got it. Then I got the $1 Billion Brow kit, which I have been playing around with. I've never really been into doing my brows, but I like it. Got the Bliss Pore Patrol Deep Detoxifying 4 Clay Souffle Mask. I used this for the first time the other night. I mean, it's a mask. If you've done one, I feel like, and there'll probably be some controversy on this, but I feel like if you've done one mask, you've done them all. I don't know. I'll use it up, see what comes of it. I got this Tula Skincare Keep It Clear Acne Foam Cleanser. I don't know. I don't really deal with acne anymore. I'm still gonna use this. I used it the other night. It's actually scented pretty nicely. It's got like a citrusy smell to it, so that's good, because the last cleanser that I got in Boxy Charm was not good. It's very smelly. I don't know that I reviewed it, but it's not my favorite. I also got the Natasha Denona Matte Blackest Black Eyeshadow. I haven't used this yet. I did swatch it a little bit. It almost feels like rubber, and then it's just black. I don't know, I don't really use black that often, as far as for eyeshadow, but I figure I could probably just use it for like lower lash line and just use it as like a liner type thing. I don't know, we'll see. I'll play with it, check it out. So that was all that came in that one. So that was all that came in the premium box. Now in the basic box, we have our card. Oh, okay. So I got to, for my choice, last month, I got to choose, and I chose the eyeshadow palette, which I'm pretty excited about. I don't know that I have anything by, oh yes, we got those like little single circle ones, I think those are the Beaute brand. I like those too. So here we have this. Yeah. There's definitely some pigment. I don't know. I didn't touch them all. I only touched the 2 blues, but to touch, they kind of felt dry. So I of course will try it. I'll do a look with it. I don't know. I should have probably done the retail on the premium box stuff. But so the retail value for that is $34.99. Then it looks like I got the Skin Co. Face Homage. I don't even know what this does. It's an exfoliating skin cream, apparently. Soothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. I don't know. It's probably, yeah, it's sealed. I'm not gonna open it right now. I got the Avant 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. Oh, the Gommage retails for $28. And this, $107. I better wake up looking like a superstar tomorrow. That's all I have to say. I'm gonna use it tonight. $107, guys. I don't know. I got the Pretty Vulgar concealer, which I actually am kind of excited to try because I am currently using Born This Way. I don't know. This is like almost a perfect match for my lightening. This is a good match for me. This is Little White Lies, and it almost kind of looks like it might, I don't know, it's like a rosier, it's rosier than what I'm using. We'll try it. I don't know, we'll see. And that retails for $25. One last thing. We got this little baby. Lip Whip by Manna Kadar Beauty. And it retails for $21. The shade looks nice. I am wearing today's makeup from work. Can't really even see what I have on my eyes. That's okay though, because it's lasted me 8 hours, so it's looking kind of worn. So is the lipstick. So let's give this little baby a try. Oh, I was actually expecting like a roll-up lip. So I just put that right over my Kylie Jenner that I had on this morning. It smells kind of like I don't know, it has a smell. I can't put my finger on it. It's like plasticky, maybe lipsticky, I guess is the best way to, I don't know. It says that it has long-lasting pigments that won't dry out your lips, but I don't know. I'll wear it. The color's not bad. It's probably the best lipstick I've actually received from Boxy Charm, because I always get colors that I don't necessarily think I'll wear. So yeah, anyways, that is what I got in my premium and my basic. And I'm kind of sad that I didn't get the Too Faced highlighter. I have the Pretty Rich eyeshadow palette, and it's the same packaging, so I was kind of like wanting it to have like the set, but I didn't get it, and it's fine. Maybe it'll be in the add-ons next month. I don't know. If it is, I'm definitely grabbing it because I definitely want it, but if not, I don't know. So anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.